Hi guys, welcome to Sri Sai Shorthand Coaching Center. 150 words per minute dictation, 5 minutes duration. Get ready, start. Gentlemen, it is my proud privilege to welcome you to this annual meeting of the Central Warehousing Corporation. The past year was one of the most eventful years in the country in which a great human crisis was successfully overcome thanks to the brilliant leadership of our Prime Minister and the magnificent performance of our armed forces. I would also like to acknowledge our employees' contribution to the defense effort. The employees of the corporation posted at the warehouses in the bordering states continued to work normally and assisted the administration in maintaining the supply line by timely issue of stocks in the emergency period. They have also responded readily to the Prime Minister's appeal for contribution to the National Defence Fund and donated a day's salary each, besides a contribution of rupees 1 lakh by the corporation. Currently, there is an aggravation of the inflationary forces and prices of essential consumer goods. Our government is committed to hold the price line. No doubt, government means well, and the recent measures taken by it are aimed at preventing economic abuse. The warehousing corporations can play an important and useful role in assisting the government in achieving this objective. One of the objectives assigned to the corporation is to assist the government and government sponsored organizations in their schemes of price support and price control. We have performed this function whenever called upon to do so in the past. We have been handling the storage of food grains for the public distribution schemes successfully for the past several years. In a situation as manifesting now, the public distribution system has assumed a special importance. It has to be used as a tool for maintaining the price line of essential commodities. The government can utilize the infrastructure developed by the central and state warehousing corporations and can tackle the problem successfully with its existing machinery. The central and state warehouses can serve the nation as idle storehouses so that stocks of essential commodities can be made available in proper condition for public distribution system. The utilization of the warehouse for storage needs of the public distribution system has yet another advantage. The stocks are exposed to public eye, which generates a confidence in the consuming public. The public can be sure of the availability of their requirement, its quality, and nutritive value. I am happy to point out that the Government of India, in recognition of the useful work being done by the corporation, have advised the state civil supplies departments to avail of our storage facilities for distribution of essential commodities. Coming to our performance, the corporation has made a gross profit of over rupees 1 crore during the year. This is better than the profit made in any previous years. Apart from improvement in the profitability, we have also made a significant achievement in the fields of scientific preservation of the stocks and reduction in the storage losses. By minimizing the storage losses, the by corporation has made a saving to the nation to the extent of about rupees 8 crores, which is an indirect addition to the total national wealth. The efforts made by the corporation in the early years to enter into new fields were intensified during the year. We made significant achievement towards securing business from other public sector undertakings also. The possibility of taking up the distribution of agricultural inputs and other products on behalf of manufacturers is being explored to diversify the activities of the corporation further. The progress towards achieving the plan targets in the first 2 years of the current plan was not very satisfactory. However, I am happy to report that we have since overcome the impediments and the corporation is now engaged in a massive construction program to complete a capacity of 3 lakh tons during the year, which is slightly more than the construction during the first 3 years of the fourth plan. We have already completed the construction of a capacity of nearly 1 lakh tons during the first quarter of the current year. I would like to dwell briefly on the difficulties that beset the general warehousing business of the corporation. The deposits by the producers, traders, and cooperatives in the warehouses have been declining mainly due to credit curbs imposed by the Reserve Bank of India on advances against the pledge of food grains, pulses, oilseeds, etc., and the state trading in food grains. We have been making persistent efforts to secure relaxations in the credit policy of the Reserve Bank with an active support of the Department of Food.